guys, welcome in this new video. Today we're going to talk about sport bikes. In my case, I have a Honda CBR 600cc 2003. So we're going to talk about how much it costs to use it every day. And so basically, everything that you need in order to have a motorcycle in UK is an insurance, MOT certificate and road tax. So for the insurance, in my case, I'm paying £600, but I decided to pay with monthly installment. So at the moment I am paying £60 each month. Then for the road tax is going to be £60 a year, and then for the MOT certificate, if your motorcycle is completely fine and the brakes and everything else are working as they should, it's going to be only £30 from the mechanic. The only problem of having a sport bike is that it uses a lot of petrol, so I roughly use £20 of petrol a week, while with my old 125cc I needed only about £6 to £7 a week. And with a full tank on this bike, you can only ride for about 120 miles, which is not a lot, but man, you look really cool when you're on a bike like this. If there is anything else that you want to know, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.